Good morning to all. 9th Max exercise 5.2 third sum. Show that the following points taken in order form an isosceles triangle. First one, A 5, 4, B 2, 0, C minus 2, 3. So first find distance between AB, BC and CA. So isosceles triangle mean a triangle having two sides are equal. Solution: take A 5, B and point B 2, 0. This is x1, y1, another one x2, y2. Find the distance between A, B is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Apply the values. AB equal to square root of x2 value 2, x1 value 5 minus 5 the whole squared plus y2 value 0 minus 4, y1 value 4 minus 4 the whole squared. Now AB equal to square root of 2 minus 5 balance minus 3 the whole squared, bigger number 5, 5 minus 2 balance 3, bigger number sign minus, plus minus 4 the whole squared equal to square root of 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. AB equal to square root of 25, 9 plus 16 25 is equal to, take square root of 25 is equal to 5. AB equal to 5. Then next find other two sides. Take side B 2, 0 and C minus 2, 3. Now find the distance between BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared is equal to square root of x2 value, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 value minus 2, x1 value 2 minus 2 the whole squared plus y2 value 3, put the minus, y1 value 0 the whole squared. BC is equal to square root of, like sign mean it should be odd, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 the whole squared plus 3 the whole squared is equal to square root of 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9 equal to square root of 25. BC is equal to, take square root of 25 is equal to 5. BC is equal to 5. The next find CA. C value minus 2, 3 and A value 5, 4. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now find the distance between C and A is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Apply the values. Square root of x2 value 5, x1 value minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2 the whole squared plus y2 value 4, then y1 value 3 the whole squared. The next CA equal to square root of 5 plus 2 7 the whole squared, 4 minus 3 1 the whole squared is equal to 7 7s are 49 plus 1 squared 1 equal to square root of 50. CA equal to 5 into 5 factorize 50, 5 into 5 25 into 2 50 is equal to 1 pair, take one number before the square root, 5 root 2. CA equal to 5 root 2. AB equal to BC is equal to 5 units. Side AB and BC side equal. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. So triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. This second sum, A 6, minus 4 and B minus 2, minus 4 and C 2, 10. This sum already I thought for you, so this is your homework. Next, fourth sum. Show that the following points taken in order form an equilateral triangle in each case. First sum solution. Point A, point B and point C is given. The vertices of triangle A, B and C given. So equilateral triangle means all the three sides of the triangle are equal. We have to prove all the three sides are equal. First take 2 points. A 2, 2, B minus 2, 2. Find the distance between AB. AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Apply the values. Is equal to square root of x2 value minus 2, x1 value 2. This formula minus and the x1 value 2 the whole squared plus y2 value minus 2, y1 value 2. Write the formula minus then y1 value 2 the whole squared. AB equal to square root of minus 2 minus 2. Like saying it should be odd. Minus 4 the whole squared plus minus 4 the whole squared is equal to square root of 4 4s are 16 plus 4 4s are 16. AB equal to 16 plus 16 32. Factorize 32. So here 2 16 2s are 32. Again divide 2 8 2s are 16. Again divide 4 2s are 8. Again divide 2 2s are 4. AB equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Make a order 2 numbers in one pair. So okay, next AB equal to take one pair before the square root, one number 2 into 2 balance root 2. AB equal to 4 root 2. Next second part, B minus 2 minus 2, C minus 2 root 3 2 root 3. This is x1 x2 y2 distance between BC. So x2 value minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, then minus of x1 value minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 the whole squared plus y2 value 2 root 3, then y1 value minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2 the whole squared. Next apply a plus b the whole squared formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This a, this is b, another part a, b. So next expand this a squared minus 2 root 3 the whole squared 2 into a value minus 2 root 3 b value 2 plus b squared plus a value 2 root 3 whole squared plus 2 into ab 2, a value 2 root 3 b value 2. Then next b squared 2 the whole squared. Here 2 the whole squared 2 2s are 4 minus into minus plus 4 into 3 12. Then next 2 2s are 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 root 3 2 2s are 4. Then plus 2 2s are 4 4 into root 3 into root 3 3 4 into 3 12. The next 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 root 3. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 8 root 3 minus 8 root 3 cancel it. Next 12 plus 4 16 20 28 32. BC is equal to 32. BC is equal to already find it. BC equal to 32. 32 already factorize. AB root 32. AB equal to 4 root 2. So here write 32 factorization 4 root 2. The distance between CA. So CA equal to apply the values. X2 value 2, x1 value minus 2 root 3 minus into minus plus 2 root 3 the whole squared plus y2 value 2, y1 value minus, write it this formula minus y1 value 2 root 3 the whole squared. Next expand this. This is A, this B, this A, another one B. A plus B the whole squared equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is equal to square root of A squared, then 2 into A value 2 b value 2 root 3 plus b value 2 root 3 the whole squared. Then next plus this formula a squared 2 squared plus 2 into a value 2 b value minus 2 root 3 plus b value minus 2 root 3 the whole squared, root 3 the whole squared. Otherwise you select the formula a minus b also, is equal to square root of 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 root 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 12, then plus 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8 root 3 plus 2 2s are 4, root 3 into root 3 3, 4 into 3 12. Next minus plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel it, 4 plus 12 16, 4 plus 12 16, 16 plus 16 32, 32 already factorize CA equal to 32 4 root 2. Check this AB, then next BC, CA equal to 4 root 2. All three sides are equal. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So all sides are equal. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Thank you.